In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Shein with Klarna, pay in 4 or pay in 30 days. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your items, select Klarna at checkout, choose the payment plan that fits your budget, and confirm your purchase smoothly. Start on Shein by browsing and adding the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to double check sizes, colors, and quantities to avoid returns later. Before you proceed, review your shipping address and pick your preferred delivery speed. If you have a promo code or points, apply them now so your total is accurate. Once everything looks good, continue to checkout. On the payment page, look for Klarna, usually shown with a pink badge. If you don't see Klarna, it may not be available for your region, your cart total, or certain items. Simply proceed with another method or try adjusting your cart. If Klarna is visible, select it as your payment method to continue. Klarna will then ask you to choose a payment option. Pay in 4 splits your purchase into 4 interest-free installments, typically with the first payment collected at checkout and the remaining 3 charged every 2 weeks. Pay in 30 days lets you get your order now and pay the full amount within 30 days, also interest-free when paid on time. Klarna may run a quick soft credit check and determine a spending limit, which doesn't affect your credit score. Take a moment to review the due dates and total cost so you're clear on when and how much you'll pay. Late or missed payments can result in fees, so pick the plan that fits your schedule. You'll be redirected to the Klarna app or website to confirm. Log into your Klarna account or follow the prompts if it's your first time. Verify the order details, confirm your chosen plan, and check which card Klarna will use for payments. Complete the confirmation once and wait a moment while Klarna verifies the purchase. After approval, you'll be sent back to Shein and should see your order confirmation. You'll also receive confirmations from both Shein and Klarna. Keep those for your records. From here, you can manage your plan in the Klarna app, view your schedule, set reminders, pay early if you'd like, or update your payment method. If you return items through Shein, Klarna will adjust your remaining balance or issue a refund accordingly. To avoid hiccups, make sure your billing and shipping details match and that your card has funds available on upcoming due dates. That's it. Add your items, select Klarna, choose pay in 4 or pay in 30 days, and confirm in the Klarna app or website. Simple, clear, and budget-friendly.